Hey guys, it's Grace. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something really amazing that I made the recipe for, and it's called melting slime. And here's why. Every time you leave the slime for about 2 minutes, even less, it melts. Literally. Look how this is slowly falling down into place. It is so amazing, and today I'm going to show you how to do it. So keep watching and enjoy. Like all slime, the first ingredient you need is glue. You also need Tide, and in this video I'm using the white Tide, but it really doesn't make a difference. You also need moisturizing lotion and contact lens solution. So I'm just going to start by pouring the glue into my bowl. I also want to make my slime so colorful and so pretty, so I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring and mix that in. And now just add about 3 to 4 pumps of lotion and mix that in your slime as well. Now, pour in a little bit of Tide at a time. But do not pour in a lot of Tide that your glue will become a slime. Put in just the right amount that your slime will look like this about now. That you just need that one last drop of Tide and you're good to go. Here's where you're going to stop with the Tide, and you're going to add in your contact lens solution and use that for the rest of the process of making your slime. And once your slime stops sticking, you can take it out, and bam, your melting slime is now done. And you can watch it melt away. It will melt your mind. I honestly think this is such an amazing slime. It feels so good. It is not really so sticky, which is great. It is also really stretchy and really squishy and super fun to play with. But at the same time, it is sticky enough that it melts. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and if you thought this was really amazing and it really melted your minds away. So please subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you next time. Bye!